Good morning, YouTube. We're on day 4 at King of the Hammers. Yesterday was another great day of qualifying. And we got to Backdoor yesterday. That was crazy last night. Check out that video. Today, I think it's going to be a little bit more chill. Hey, usually you're holding a camera. I didn't know you knew how to hold a screwdriver.
Do everything here. Goes to purpose.
Are you messing with things in here?
Sabotage.
There's a quick meeting here for all the team members for figuring out some pit stuff, and then we'll get on with our day.
Yesterday we had the drivers meeting and they talked a lot about pits. This isn't a short course race, so we're not going to be as amped up as we usually are in a short course.
Looks like we're going to Laser Town.
One of the many things you can see around King of the Hammers. You don't know what to expect.
We've just seen videos. Very last minute. Cody, do you know what Laser Town is?
No, a bunch of
Interesting things, I think.
Is it a town with lasers? That's kind of what I thought it was.
That's why you drive a rental. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, you lost some parts.
That's off. Yeah.
There goes the deductible.
There's palm trees in Laser Town.
You drove 55 fucking hours. That's right. Dude, that was more than me. My first year out here, I drove 46, 48, something like that.
He was soloed at 55-hour drive coming from Harriston, Ontario, Canada. That's a commitment.
If you wrap it in a long black duffel bag, maybe throw something that vibrates in it, guaranteed to grab some attention somewhere.
Laser Town was super badass. Now we're just going into Hammertown.
It's going to be busy.
Boo!